In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can summarize a document using Google Gemini. So I have here a document and I'd like to go ahead and summarize it. This is a 3-page document, but I want it in a summary form. So the good news is AI can help you do exactly that. And for this case, we are going to use Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So we want to go ahead and summarize this 3-page document into point format. And to do that, first we need to go ahead and upload this document to Google Gemini. So go ahead and open your Google Gemini, and then from this, go ahead and tap on Add File. From here, you can either upload a file or you can either get it direct from your Google Drive, such as Google Document or even Spreadsheet. I'll choose an upload of file because I already have it on my desktop, and then I'll go ahead and choose it. And here is the document, and here it will be loaded. So give it time for it to be loaded, and once it's done, we are ready to summarize it. What we need to do is to ask Gemini to go ahead and summarize this document, but you can as well specify which format of summary you want. So I've just asked, write the summary in point form. Now what will happen is Gemini will go ahead and read through this document and then summarize it in point form. So if I go ahead and submit, the extraction will begin, and Gemini will now write it in point form, as you can see here. And now this is an easy to read document, and you can see from a 3-page document, now we have it in summary format and in point form. And look at that. So you can now go ahead and copy it, and you can as well go ahead and see the source. This is the source of the document. If you open it, you can compare them side by side, and you can see indeed the points are extracted from this document. So that's how you summarize a document using Google Gemini AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.